Hello, my name is Christian, and to begin to tell my life story, with the beginning of my life, I record that I was born as I have been informed and believed on a Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning in Cali City, Valle del Cauca department. I want to start counting my life story, starting with the first sad happening in my life. When I was 6 years old, I remember one day I saw my mother cry as I had never seen her before. Her sister had told her that her grandmother had died. Immediately she decided we had to travel to Popayan City, where her grandmother lived. I remember that trip was very well because it was the first trip that I did with my cousin. I loved playing with them, and that trip was the beginning of the unforgettable weekend. I remind I lived happy and sad moment because I spent a lot of time with my cousin, but see my mother saw broke my hair. Continue with my life story. My parents told me to high school, and I was studying in that school. I was always working hard in my school dates, not only for my school duties, due to the back economic situation that my parents faced. I usually didn't have money to buy my bus tickets or buy to something to eat in the school, but those situations didn't prevent me to get graduating with honors from my high school. After high school, I really wanted to study at the university, but I needed studying to earn money to help my parents. That reason, I decided to apply to police academic. I did the incorporation process for 3 months. 1 year later, I got my degree as a police officer. It was really cool to get it. Until now, I have been working for 20 years as a police officer, and my retirement is close. To end with my life story, I think the most importantly meaningful experience in my life has been to become a father. The birth of my first cute daughter changed my life in all aspects. And with the birth of my second cute daughter, I felt that I was the happiest man in the world. 10 years later, I feel just as happy. Now, I'm doing my dream of studying in a college. I am in a seventh semester of the BN in teaching English as a foreign language. I hope to get it very soon. This is all for now. Thanks for your attention.